Alright guys, so this is how I dry brush. Everybody dry brushes differently. This is from Wendy's. If you order a burger with no bun, they put it in this container, and usually this is clean, or you can clean it or reuse it. And I put the brush, this is just a kind of stiff brush that I've used a bunch of times for dry brushing. I don't really clean it that well, and I like the stiffness. I dip it directly into my paint, and then I kind of take it in here. And then just kind of start working it through. And as you guys can tell, I haven't added any more to this. And I'm putting paint on it. I'm going to take it like this, but shoot it away from anything I want to keep. And by doing that, I got a little bit of paint on the brush. So everybody's gonna do it a little differently. There's no right way, excuse me, there's no wrong way to do this. The thing is you just want to make it as realistic as possible. These lines, I don't know. They, when I paint it, to me, sometimes I'm like, oh, it looks it looks too placed, but from a distance and whatever, it's people are like, oh, it looks really great. So the one thing that I am disappointed myself in is the fact that I had already dry brushed the bottom and I'm trying to blend this. So it doesn't blend so hot. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna fix the bottom so it kind of blends better together. So I don't know if you guys can see the difference since the last time, but there's some differences. Now here we go again. Alright guys, I'm going to be dry brushing some more today. This is a tray from Wendy's. You want to try and get as much paint off of the brush as possible. And then I start on the edge and work my way down. And this is just like way more than I wanted. So, I don't know if you can tell or not, but these were all skulls at the foot. I took some vinyl spackle and filled it in. So, and then this one here, the eyes light up. So. Alright guys, so this is the finished product after being dry brushed. Can you tell that this was all styrofoam? Well, maybe you can. I don't think people will know. Thanks for watching guys. Subscribe to my channel, E.G. Scary. Give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Giveaways are coming soon. The more subscribers, the closer we get to D-Day, where there will be a smorgasbord of Halloween related giveaways. Alright guys, take it easy. Thanks for watching. E.G. Scary out.